Welcome to our comprehensive review of Swapline. If you're looking to explore a reliable platform for crypto swapping, you're in the right place. Swapline offers a seamless experience for users wanting to exchange various cryptocurrencies quickly and easily. When you first visit Swapline, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface, designed to make crypto trading as straightforward as possible. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Swapline's platform is intuitive and packed with features that cater to all levels of experience. From quick swaps to detailed market insights, Swapline has it all. Once you start using Swapline, you'll notice its efficient and fast processing of transactions. The platform supports numerous cryptocurrencies, allowing you to swap your assets quickly. The real-time tracking of exchange rates ensures you're always trading at the best possible price. One of the standout features is its low transaction fees, which makes it an attractive option for frequent traders who want to minimize costs. Swapline also takes security seriously. With advanced encryption protocols, your data and funds are protected at all times. The platform's transparent approach ensures you're always aware of the fees and exchange rates, which builds trust with its users. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you navigate Swapline's platform, you'll find that everything is tailored for both speed and simplicity. The user interface is designed to minimize the time it takes to make a trade. There are no complicated steps, and you can instantly swap cryptocurrencies with just a few clicks. This makes Swapline a great choice for anyone looking to trade crypto efficiently. The platform also offers detailed market data, helping you stay on top of the latest trends in the crypto world. You can easily access price charts, historical data, and other essential information to help you make informed decisions when swapping or investing in crypto. This functionality is perfect for users who want to analyze the market and optimize their trading strategy. Swapline's platform is compatible with both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring that you can trade on the go. Whether you're at home or traveling, you'll have access to all of Swapline's features right at your fingertips. If you're looking for a hassle-free and efficient way to exchange crypto, Swapline is a great choice. It combines ease of use, competitive fees, and strong security features, making it a standout in the crypto swapping space. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like if you found this review helpful.